It is time to take the lightning round. Chris Vance, Robert Gold's going to tell you to buy, sell some sales. Just go to know the core stock questions ahead of time. My staff prepares to play this now. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. Chris Vance, let's go to Jeff in Kentucky. Jeff.
Yes, booyah. Wondering what your take was on
Wells Fargo. Okay, Wells Fargo, you know that Jeff Marks and I, we literally discussed pulling the trigger today and buying some Wells. It's down way too much from where we sold stuff, but we don't want to play that hedge fund game. I think Wells should be bought right here. Jerry in Missouri. Jerry.
Hey, Jim, thanks for taking my call.
Absolutely. What's going on?
I want to thank your staff for getting me on the call today.
Absolutely. They're fantastic.
My stock is, I want to know if my stock is going to rebound to its previous levels or if it's just going to be a battleground stock forever. I'm asking about CrowdStrike.
Okay, I think it'll be a battleground stock. I don't want to say forever. And the reason I say that is because Sentinel One, Tomer Weingarten, who I welcome on the show, come on, just had some horrible things to say about its competitor, CrowdStrike, and it drove the stock down to another level. So I want to wait till that clears up before I would wade in. Let's go to Scott in Connecticut. Scott.
Big old booyah, Jim.
No problem. What's going on?
Here. I remember watching you on the television in my father's office as a teenager, and now I'm watching you for advice on my own portfolio, and you're still doing it. It's incredible.
Yeah, I mean, when your grandkids are going to watch the show, they'll love it. I'm going to change it up a little bit. Maybe we do a longer lightning round. How can I help?
My question is on AST Space Mobile, stock ticker ASTS. I bought in at $4.53. The stock has literally rocketed up to 20.
Wow, man, you got horse sense. Here's what I would do. Tomorrow morning, take out your cost basis and let the rest run. And that way you'll never give back anything. That's the way to play it. Let's go to Ian in Florida. Ian.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
Greetings from sunny Florida.
Okay.
Third-time caller and a very happy investing club member. Want to thank you for all the great advice.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Really appreciate it. Really appreciate it. Jim, I got a question about a ticker that is kind of a part of the semiconductor trade. Good numbers, very profitable, and pretty much everyone has to go to them if you want to do semiconductors. But there's a lot of geopolitical risk with it. The ticker symbol is TSM. Taiwan Semi?
Taiwan Semi, there is political risk. I am not going to overlook the political risk, but I can tell you it's a great company. I do think that when all the smoke clears, that NVIDIA will have a lower price earnings multiple, and you should buy NVIDIA instead of Taiwan Semi. Let's go to Tim in Michigan. Tim.
Hey, Jim. I wanted to know your opinion on Tyler Technologies right now.
It's a very, very good company, management solutions company, and I have explored this company 9 ways to Sunday and have never pulled the trigger, and that is my bad. It's a really good company with a stellar reputation. Let's go to Brian in New York. Brian.
Yes. Hey, Jim. How are you?
I am good. How about you?
Good. Everything's good here.
All right. What's up?
I'm looking at Cemex. Call sign is CX.
Wow, that's a dice roll. I got to tell you, I have no conviction in that company whatsoever right now. I'm sorry. I'd like to back it, but it's a dice roll. Let's go to Paul in Connecticut. Paul.
Hi, Jim. Lumen Technologies. The stock price has gone parabolic in the last 3 days.
When we see parabolic moves, we cut our position in half. We let the rest run. That's what you're going to do tomorrow morning. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, Meta AI's spend weighed on the stock after earnings. But could what the market overlooks today transform the world tomorrow? Cramer is giving his take next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.